Using chopsticks can seem daunting, but with a little practice, anyone can master this traditional dining utensil. Chopsticks are a pair of thin and tapered sticks, usually made of wood or bamboo, that are used to pick up food. To use chopsticks, start by holding one chopstick like a pencil, about 2/3 of the way up from the thicker end. Then, position the other chopstick in your other hand, using your thumb and middle finger to hold it. The second chopstick should be held closer to the thicker end, leaving a space between the tips of both chopsticks. Once you have a firm grip on the chopsticks, it's time to pick up the food. Approach the food with the chopsticks by positioning the lower chopstick as a pivot and using the upper chopstick as a clamp. Gently squeeze the chopsticks together, allowing the food to rest between the tips. Practice your coordination and dexterity by starting with larger, easier-to-grip food items like cooked vegetables or noodles. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually move on to smaller, more challenging food items. Remember to be patient and confident. It may take a few tries to get the hang of it, but with practice, you'll soon be able to enjoy your favorite Asian dishes with chopsticks. And who knows, maybe you'll even impress your friends with your newfound chopstick skills. In summary, using chopsticks involves holding one chopstick like a pencil and using the other as a pivot and clamp. Start with larger food items and gradually progress to smaller ones. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be effortlessly using chopsticks like a pro.